Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious flavoured pepper stew. Start by seasoning your assorted meat combinations with onions, salt, curry, turmeric, paprika, thyme, and parsley. Add water and cook until tender. Blend your tomatoes, pepper, onions, and chilli until smooth, but not too watery. Once the meat is done, pour in the blended mix. Adjust seasoning if needed. Mix and cook until oil starts to show on top. And just with these simple steps, you have a pot of rich, bold, and full of flavoured pepper stew with no additional oil added. You can serve bread, hot rice, or swallow of choice with this. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed this video.